This P0400 repairing video is dedicated to Jeep's drivers. If your Jeep is getting a P0400 error code, this video is going to show you 2 practical solutions to fix the error code at home. Use the Zeus app to scan your vehicle and see the error code P0400. It indicates the engine control module detects the EGR valve is not flowing recirculated exhaust gases when it is commanded to open the flow of gases into the intake manifold. Here are 2 of the most practical solutions to fix Jeep's P0400 error code. Method A, the EGR valve. Looking at the engine from the front, the EGR valve is located towards the rear of the engine just to the right side of the center. First, carefully remove the EGR valve from your car. Turn the EGR valve upside down and fill it up with the WD-40 cleaner. Let it soak for 5 hours for the solvent to get rid of all the carbon buildups. After the cleaned EGR valve gets dry, reinstall it back into the car. If it is too dirty to be cleaned, you may replace it with a new EGR valve. Method B, the intake manifold. The intake manifold sits on top of the engine and plays a key role in the combustion process. First, carefully remove the intake manifold from the engine. Use the WD-40 cleaner to clean up the crud inside the intake manifold, and wipe it well to make sure all the carbon buildup is now removed. Reinstall the intake manifold back after the cleaned intake manifold is dried. So here are 2 of the most practical solutions to fix Jeep's P0400 error code. After the repair, you can now use the Zeus app to clear the error code. And tap the rescan button one more time to make sure everything is fine with your vehicle. To save more money on car expenses, claim a free engine code scanner at the description link below, or check out the video here for more info. You're also welcome to leave comments below. Our mechanic professionals will answer them shortly. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks again for watching this video.